How to list property on Agoda. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can list property on Agoda. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So in listing a property on Agoda, the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to ycs.agoda.com. And if you haven't signed up for Agoda yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, if you don't know Agoda, it is an online travel agency and booking platform that specializes in offering accommodations, flights, airport transfers, and other travel-related services. And aside from that, it also offers a user-friendly interface where users can search for and book various accommodations such as hotels, resort, hostels, vacation, rentals, and many more. Now going back to this platform, if you scroll down below here, you have the two options to list your property, either independent property manager or hotel or building manager. But I'm going to select this one, so can I click on select and just click confirm and start onboarding button. And after that, it will show you a pop-up window. To create an account, all you need to do is to fill out all of this required information, such as your email address, your phone number, your first name, last name, and also to generate your own password. And after that, just proceed by clicking the create button below here to proceed. And you will be directed in here. And from this page, in order to add or list your first property, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information under the basics, location, facilities, room and details, photos, profile, and publish section. In which under the basics, from here you can simply import your URL, booking property, and also right here, you can simply enter the name of your property. So for instance, the name of my property is Lux Hotel. And after entering the property name below here, the next thing that you need to do is to select your property type. So you can simply choose a specific kind of properties category we have here: guest house, bed and breakfast, service apartment, hostel, homestay, hotel, and apartment. But in those options, I'm going to choose this hotel. And after that, below here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose the cancellation policy. We have here flexible, moderate, or strict policy. And I'm going to choose the moderate policy. And also below here, if you scroll down, the next thing that you need to do is to simply customize your check-in or check-out time. When can guests check in, or what time will guests have to check out by. While under the star rating, all you need to do is to select the star to give your home a rating to help set expectations for travelers' stay. And after that, just proceed by clicking the next button to proceed. Now under the location section, from here, all you need to do is to select or enter the location of your property. So you can simply enter here the street address, the building floor and unit number, the country or region, and state or province. Or you could simply point out on this map in here. Then click next button to proceed to facilities section. In which from here, all you need to do is to select some of the details about the facilities that includes in your property. Such as under the access, you can check check-in or check-out private or check-in 24-hour. And I'm also gonna check car park and front desk 24-hour. Now under the important information, I'm going to check some of the offerings that can be found in my properties. And also under the kitchen details or the facilities and amenities that allow travelers to eat and drink comfortably. So I'm going to check dishwasher, microwave, and stove, and also the kitchen basics. Now moving on below here under the safety and cleanliness, you can check some of the details to show guests that you take their safety and health seriously with these amenities. While for the last part is payment information, in which guests may choose to pay at your property, such as I'm going to choose Visa, Cash, and MasterCard. And just proceed by clicking the next button, and you will be directed under the rooms and details. In which from here, you can simply set up your rooms, starting from selecting the room name, but I'm going to choose the standard room. While for the room size, I'm going to enter here 12 square meters. But that is just only for example. While under the accommodates, the maximum number of people who can sleep comfortably given the hotel bed space and sofas is only 2 persons per room. While under the bathroom, I'm just going to enter here 1. Now below here under the nightly price, Below here, you could simply enter the minimum price per night, which is for your standard room. So for instance, I'm going to enter here 2,500, well, for extra guests, in which after more than one guest, charge per person per night is only 2,700 for example, and that is one person. Now below here under the base price for your standard room plus breakfast, so you can simply check these boxes if you want your room to offer breakfast as well. And below you can simply enter the extra cost for breakfast per guest per night. While under the block dates, you can simply choose either the two options below here and just click the next button, then you will be directed under these photos. And from here, all you need to do is to simply upload the property photos, including the building exterior, parking space, entrance, and any available facilities. By clicking these choose photos below here, you can start selecting or uploading the photo of your property. So this is only an example photo that I use for this video. But before uploading photo, make sure that you also follow some of the requirements, which is 800 by 600 pixel. Now moving on, we can now start uploading a photo for our standard room or the unit's bedroom, bathrooms, kitchen, dining, and living areas. And after that, you can simply select a caption for each photo of the standard room. And for instance, I'm going to choose the caption room plan. But before you click the next button below here to proceed, you need to make sure that you at least upload 3 photos of your property. And below, you could also select a caption that you prefer. And after uploading a photo, just proceed by clicking the next button below here, and you will be directed under the profile or account details, in which from here, you can simply fill out all of the required information and also select your answer to their question, how would you like to receive your payment? In which below here, it will show you a variety of options such as UPC, UPC on ePass, eCard, or direct deposit to bank. And before you click the next button below here, make sure that you also fill out all of these required fields, such as your location details, or where you live, your primary address, and your nationality. And after filling out all of the required field, just click the next button, and you will be directed under the Publish section. In which from here, it will show you some other details before you publish your listing of your property, including to know your local laws, regulation, and taxes, since it is your responsibility to review all of that. And below here, you will see the contracted commission percentage, which is 1,700%, while the rate type is sell inclusive. And now to proceed, just click these boxes if you agree to the terms and conditions that apply to all of your properties listed through Agoda extranet. So make sure that you also understand and read all of these terms and conditions. And after that, just proceed by clicking Accept Terms and click the next button to proceed. And from here, all you need to do is to wait for it to load, and it will show you on this pop-up window that they will now reviewing your property details. So while we're waiting, we can simply go to YCS by clicking this button, and you will be directed on this page, in which from here, we can simply access the details of our property and manage them in this website, starting from the rates and availability, property, finance, growth programs, resources, and many more. So that is just basically how you can list property on Agoda. Thank you.